Hello boys and girls, and Mr. Rush. I'm here to teach you today how to tie your very own ninja mask. Now, step 0 would be to find yourself a nice black t-shirt, much like the one I'm wearing, except don't put it on. You want preferably short sleeves. Long sleeves just looks kind of silly. No designs, also, ideally, but you can turn it inside out. Whatever. Step 1. Take the neck hole. It will now become your eye hole. As such, look through it. Put it over your head like such. Don't worry about getting it perfect. You'll do that in step 3. Now, grasp the sleeves like such. It doesn't matter if you can't see, as I can't right now. And tie a simple overhand knot behind your head. Not too snug. Like so. Now you can adjust your eyepiece. You can fold under these unsightly seams. I'm not doing it well. It usually takes me, 20 or 30 minutes to get it satisfactory. But I don't want to bore you. Once you get it adjusted, you have a critical decision to make. Eyebrows or no eyebrows. I personally go with no eyebrows, think it looks cooler. But with eyebrows you get much more emotional expression. It's up to you. Just be consistent. Next, step 4, is it? Oh well. Grasp the sleeves again and tie it much snugger. This time, however, make sure you tie it in the neck cavity. That would be between your head and your back. If you tie it up here, it looks like a bow, and you also look kind of stupid. Tie it down here. Keeps it nice and snug, smooth, everywhere. That's good. Also, if you have a bunch of fabric coming up out of the top, just grasp it below the knot. And then you can pull down. Keeps it nice and smooth again. Now, that's basically it. A wise man once said that defense is the first step to defeat. In much the same way, knowledge is the first step to victory. The Way of the Ninja. Hardcover. No further explanation necessary.